Hello, my name is Shahzad Khalid, and I'm the Product Manager of Elastica Audit. Today, I'm excited to show you the recently announced integration between Audit and Blue Coat's ProxySG and how the power of this combined solution comes alive with such tight integration between the products. It will be the industry's first CASB solution that offers native Shadow IT discovery and controls for over 12,000 apps. ProxySG customers can now have enhanced visibility of thousands of cloud apps, can create and enforce granular policies for unsanctioned apps, and perform comprehensive Shadow IT analysis. Under the hood, these capabilities are powered by Audit App Feed, a rich database that contains evaluation of cloud apps for business readiness on over 60 attributes related to security, compliance, and business risk. For Shadow IT Analytics, Cloud App Risk Assessment, and reporting, customers can transfer their Blue Coat ProxySG logs to Elastica Audit using SpanVA, which is an on-premise virtual appliance that can anonymize and compress logs before sending logs to the Cloud SOC. Once the customer subscribes to CASB Audit SKU and activates the license, Audit App Feed is distributed to the respective ProxySGs and Management Center using Blue Coat's Global Intelligence Network, also known as GIN. Now let's look at app discovery and policy control from ProxySG. First thing that the customers would notice here are the number of apps that can be discovered by ProxySG is over 60 times than before. Under the configuration, for instance, they can see this new app list. They can also see the app attributes that they can use to define the policies. Next, I'll show you how to create app policies from the Visual Policy Manager or VPM. Here we can create a policy. Let's say we want to block certain unsanctioned apps. So we can create a policy by app name, and we can name this policy or the rule by saying block unsanctioned apps. And in this down below, we can basically specify the application we want to block. And in this case, let's say we know that our sales team is using ClearSide. So if I go to Audit in this case and look at the business readiness rating for Audit, and see how it fares on all these different attributes. So, for example, it doesn't have brute force protection, multi-factor authentication. It does not have any admin audit trail. So, something that the organization would like to block. And in the policy, then, let's say ClearSide is deemed to be unsanctioned, so it will, the admin would like to block it. We select ClearSide from the list, and it would show up in that rule set. And once we install the policy, then the change will apply. You can also verify here by, let's say, going to clearside.com, and you can clearly see that the site is blocked. So then another example, now we can create a policy by different attributes. So if I were to pick application attributes in this case, and then say block applications with let's say no admin audit trail. So the app itself does not track admin's activities. Look for that attribute, tracks all admin activity, set it to be false, and then just install it the same way we did before. And you can clearly see those rules are defined. So here also you can combine those rules like you can in any other policy. So you can do and, or, and so on between the different policies. Next, we can take a quick look at Management Center's reporting and app controls and how the audit app feed it can bring a lot of value to both. So, for example, if you look at the analytics here and the different reports that Management Center has, particularly around web application and web application data usage, and all the subsequent reports as well, those reports benefit from this richer data that Management Center gets from the app feed. So web application, trends of active web applications by users, and web application itself. So that data itself, because of 12,000 plus apps, is going to be richer. So same way on the policy side, just like I kind of showed you on the VPM earlier from ProxySG GUI, the same approach, we can define a policy here using different rule sets. Thanks for watching this video. For more details and sales enablement collateral, please check out the Sales Navigator.